Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the TvQuickActions application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to head over to the Play Store. You can find that in Quick Settings, All Settings, navigate down to Apps, and then head over to See All Apps. From there, scroll down to the bottom where you find Show System Apps, and that's how you find the Play Store on this list. It's going to be on G. It's an alphabetical list. Click on Google Play Store to launch the application. So if you have the app open, you're going to just head over to the search bar and search for. So I'm on the search bar. Now you're going to search for the app of choice. It's going to be with the keyboard. That keyboard has popped up, so now you can search. So just head over to TV. Quick Actions. And you find the app on the background right there, so you can click on it. You find an install button, you just click on install and be patient for the app to complete installing. So it's going to download, and after download you see an automatic install process. The app is just going to install, and now you can access it by clicking open. So this is going to open the app, and from there you can use it directly on Google TV. So that's it for this tutorial. If you find it insightful, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button to join the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with valuable content just like this.